So today I'm going to show you how you can create your personal website. Personal website means what? Here I use the technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Jquery. So what you have to do with this project? This project you can just write down your education, your work, your fun and how you can do it. I'm going to explain you. Okay, so in this project how you can do that, first of all let me show you the code. If you want to see the code of any website, okay, any website that is running on the system or internet, if you want to see it, how you can do that? Right click on that. Okay, first of all right click on that, and if right click is not working, then what you can do it, first open any website. Suppose I'm just opening suppose Amazon website I'm opening. Okay, just let it be upload. So once you click on this, click on here view page source. Once you click on this view page source, you will going to see the complete code. Okay, you can see here, this is the code for all this your website. This website how it is appearing, right? This colorful screen image, this laptop image, all how it is coming, this is possible with this code. So whenever you wanted to check the code of any website, okay, you can just right click on that, and what you are going to do, view page source. So here with respect to this web page, this is what web page, collection of web page it is. I told you at the start only, this is a collection of web page. And website is what? Website is a collection of web page. This is a web page. For example, mobile is one web page, fashion is one web page, electronic is one web page. When you click on any web page, a specific single page will open. When you combine several web page, it will create a website. So if anyone asks you what is website, website is what? Collection of web page. It will be a collection of web page. So these are the two terms. Web page means single page. HTML based page created. Okay, HTML based page, or you can say a page that is created with HTML. Okay, HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript, and Jquery, Bootstrap. These are what? I will going to explain you one by one. HTML is hypertext markup language. These are the some tags that are responsible for creating any web page. What are those tags? If you can see this, these are some tags that is coming in angular bracket. Let me expand it. Do you see this? Whenever you see anything that is written inside this angular bracket, that is called a tag. This is called head tag. This is HTML tag. You might be aware about this. Meta tag, link tag. This link tag is used for what? Adding a link of any page. Means from this link, from this page you can open any other page. Okay, just like a hyperlink. In a Wikipedia, we have a link. Once you click on this link, other page will get open. Okay, like this. So here, these are the hyperlink we say. These are called tag. Okay, HTML tag. Now, what do you mean by this CSS? Now the question is, what do you mean by this CSS? This CSS is cascading style sheet. this cascading style sheet responsible for what will be the size of the image, okay, header of the image. Header means the text that you are writing on the image for your website. What will be the size of that? So size of image, size of text, okay, color and border, layout. Layout border means this is suppose my border, okay. This you can see this rectangular border. Inside this border image should come. So border layout is all decided by CSS. Okay, I will going to show you in the code how this occurring. Okay, so these are the different patterns, or you can say handled by cascading style sheet. Now, like Java, that is JavaScript, these are responsible for this. This is a scripting code that is responsible for managing client server relationship. Now the question is, what is mean by this? As you type the URL here, okay, normally what we do, as you type a URL here, okay, let me remove this. As you type URL here, Amazon, and you press enter, the client server relationship is happen here. Means your client is here whom, means sorry, client is here, who is your client here? This browser, which is interacting with the server internally. Which server? Where this link is deployed, okay. Meanwhile, you can ask me if anything is not clear. I will going to explain you. See, server means what? Every server, Amazon server. Okay. Obviously, when you write a browser, when you write a link, it will connect to the Amazon browser server. That server will give you the website. That will show the website on your screen. So here, client is your browser, whether it is Mozilla or Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, anything. And server is what? Company server, which is going to give you the access. That is Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, right? With the help of browser, okay, you are requesting with the help of what? You are requesting with the help of URL, okay? With the help of URL, you are requesting. URL is what? Address. Like, what is an address here? Like this. URL will be like this: www.amazon.in, www.amazon.in, www.flipkart.in, right? So these are the different pattern that we find it out. Okay, means sorry, pattern I'm saying. These are the URL that will going to type on the browser, and it will going to print it, right? So like this, when you type the URL on the browser will going to connect to the server and it will appear on the screen. So like this it happens. Okay, so in this way we connect it. Is it clear to everyone? What is URL? URL is nothing but the address of the website that you're going to type it here, and as you type it here, it will going to make connection with the server, and this in that way you will able to connect that. Okay, so like this, the client server they connect. So JavaScript code is responsible for that. I will not going to make you much bore on this, but at this topic you should be aware, like concept you should be aware how this works. jQuery, Bootstrap, they also do the same. That how the image are calling. I will going to show you the code, then you can understand from that. This is the code of my personal website. Let me run the website again and show you. Let me close this. So here in this website, when you are going to see, let me show you the code here. This is the code. You can see here I have given the title cloud computing here, and it is appearing on the website also, this cloud computing. Now if I make a changes here, let me make changes to cloud computing GCP. Okay, and I'm saving here. I save it. Now I will go into the path where I have all the image and this file. I'm going to run this. It is running now. Just wait for some time. It will get load. As we are using only the client based website, it will take some time.